Good morning, students, and welcome to the classes of costing and taxation. We were doing cost of materials from costing, and in the last class, we had done an example from the LIFO method. So, today we'll be doing another example, and in this sums, they have told us to do the sums by both FIFO and LIFO method. So, let's start the sums. So first of all, we have to prepare a table like this, and before that, you need to give a heading: stores ledger under the FIFO method. Okay. So let's start the sums. So on 1st January, acha, now look over here. They have given all the purchases together, and then all the issues together. But we do not have to go this way, we have to go date wise. First we'll record this entry 1st Jan, then we'll record this entry 2nd Jan. On 2nd Jan there was an issues made, right? So I have already recorded the first entry 1st Jan, nothing in receipts and issues, and in the balance 200 at the rate of 400. Now after recording the balance of opening stock, now we can come to the second date, that is 2nd Jan. So 2 1. So what happened on this date? There was no purchase, instead there was receipts. There were issues made, right? So we record over here 150, and we are talking about FIFO method, but here only one type of stock is there, so no problem in issuing from this one. So we'll just issue from the balance from this one: 150, 300, right? So now in the balance we have 50 units left, right? At the rate of rupees 200. I'm not feeling very well, so my voice is a bit down, but I hope you can hear me. Okay, now the next date is 5th Jan, purchases. So let's record 5th Jan, 5 1. So what happens here? Purchases of 100 units. 100 units at the rate of 2.2. 220. No, nothing under the issues column. So and under units column we'll write, what shall we write? 50 at the rate of 2, 50, and 100 at the rate of 2.2. 2.2. Right, now 100 over here and 220 over here. Now for the next date, what comes after 5th Jan? 7th Jan. They have made an issues on 7th of Jan. So 7 Jan, no receipt. This is taking a lot of time, but at least it is understandable than what we used to do in the previous class, right? In the previous class the handwriting got very messy. Okay, and issues, they have made how much issues on 7th Jan? 100 units, 100 units. So they have issued 100 units. Right now this is the part where people get confused. Now this is the FIFO method and they have issued 100 units. Whenever it comes to issuing goods, you need to look at the balance. If you look over here, the balance is 50 units. Means the stock first purchased balance is 50 units and then it is 100 units. So if I'm making a issue, then I'll make a issue from here first and then from here first, right? So 50 at the rate of 2 and then another 50. Why another 50? Because I have to issue only 100 units. See, on 7th Jan I have to issue only 100 units. Therefore I took 50 from here and 50 from this one. 50 from here, 2.2. 2.2. So 50 into 200 and 50 into 2.2, how much is it? 110. Right, now when it comes to balance, now if you see, this one is gone because this one is fully issued. Now from this stock we have only 50 units left because 50 we issued over here, right? So only 50 units at the rate of 2.2 is equal to 110. See, it's not so hard. Next we have, I'm not sure if I'll be able to finish the whole sums today, so I'll the rest you can do for homework. 7th, then comes 10th. On 10th Jan we made a purchase. 10th Jan we made a purchase for how much unit? How many units? 150 units at the rate of 2.40. So 2.40. How much is 150 into 2.40? 150 into 2.4. 360. 360. Right? So no issues made. So dash. Now for the balance we have now 50 units from this stock, from this one we have 50 units and freshly purchased we have 150 units, right? You just have to record it as we purchase it, we record it in the balance. That's it. 2.2, 2.2, and this one is 2.4. So this one is 110 again and this one is 360. And another important thing, that look at the alignment. This is the transaction of first. This line includes transaction of second, fifth, these two lines, right? Then 7th, these two lines, then 10th, these two lines. So don't get confused. I am not being able to draw a line after every transaction, but students, to clear their concept, they draw a line after every transaction completes so that they don't get confused, so that the stocks don't get mixed up. I'm going to issue one last and then I'm going to end this class. You can do the sums for homework and please send me your homework today By today, try to send me your homework by today itself, so that tomorrow, on Friday, I'll start with the LIFO method. And you have time, you can send it by tomorrow also. The next date is after 10th, 12th. 12th Jan, issues were made for 100 units, right? So 12th Jan, no receipts. So no receipt. Issues were made. How much? 100 units. So now, whenever we make issues, we look at the balance. Now, if we look at the balance of the previous date, we have 50 units of this stock and 150 units of this stock. So whenever we'll issue first from this stock and then from this stock. So we have to issue only 100 units. So first we'll issue 50 units from this stock, 2.2, 2.2, and then we'll issue another 50 units from this stock. Why another 50 units? Because we have to issue only 100 units. That's why we took only 50 units from this one, right? 2.4. So this becomes 110, and this becomes, just a minute, 50 into 2.4, 120. 120. Now we have a balance left only of this stock, because see, 50 units is gone. So this stock of 2.2 has finished. So now we have a stock only of this type of goods. So means we have a stock of only 100 units. Why? Because from 150, 50 units have been sold here. Right? So into 2.4 is equal to 240, is equal to 240. Okay. So uh, basically half of the sum is left. So you can do that for homework. And please send me your homework at my email. Also, if you have any query, send it. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and have a nice day.